Also have I can on Flutter code. I explain to how to install the Flutter SDK in the Windows. First of all, I First of all, I have read to Flutter stick installation documentation. So I will write and type to Flutter SDK in Windows. Like this, I will choose the first point, and here some searchable field download the Flutter in the first uh, options, and here given like this get start and like here instruction which start select operating systems like window macbook but I will install the options. I create a window and there are the documentations like requirement first operating system 64-bit disk space is required 1.6 GB tools window power cells and git windows and here download here we can download the flutter SDK for windows. I have clicked this and click this and it take us some time for the downloading and go to the window and say the downloads. I have already downloaded the Flutter SDK. Flutter SDK. This is to convert these files and find the Flutter SDK and it's to paste the desired place like any drives, desktop, yeah, any Flutter project, any Flutter folders. So here where I will paste this this SDK, Flutter SDK, paste on the desktop, and after pasting, I have moved to within this file and the Flutter staples and given the path of environment variables like this and wait. Just copy this path, and open the environment variables. Yes, yeah. Here I will set the path. Click on environment variables, and I have also set the path. I will choose the edit function, and here we to add the new and this paste now. The paste is here. I have already pasted, so I have already pasted in the path. Like see this Flutter SDK for Windows and here is it some Flutter wheels. Okay. And after change it, we will paste the OK and here is OK. And after this whole process, I need we have need to restart our Windows. After restarting the Windows, have a create some project for Flutter. We will create a new Windows and here open some and first here is install the Flutter and Dart. I have already installed Flutter and Dart. There is a paste is the Flutter, paste is Flutter and installed. But I have already installed the Flutters and have installed Dart. Here, I have already installed the Dart. You will first need to install the Flutter and the Dart because Flutter is supported in the Dart language. So, yeah, first off, you have create the First project. Go to terminal. There's a new terminal and Flutter, create my new app. या फिर and Flutter project and text it enter. They are now creating the Flutter project and show this here. Move to CD. That's CD project. CD as T tab Flutter project. Enter. I will move to the Flutter folder and have a run this project using the command flutter run. Enter. Like here is I want to run in this Windows like this Chromes and it I will select the number 2 point because I will run to in window and you have to add the mobiles using USB and you run the mobile also on mobiles. Okay, it's open in browser. Like see, here is a create our first programs on Flutter. First program. I open the folder. Open this my Flutter project. First on it. First of all, I will define these parts. Here is a Flutter project available in the Android. I have created using a Flutter and a Dart language. We have created a Android application, window application, web application, and also iOS application. Here is the provide Android folder for the creating the Android application builds. Here is some builds like creating the builds like for Androids, iOS and webs. And here is the iOS folder. Receiving here they mention the code for iOS mobiles and the list files. In list is contain the main dot and the tester web. Here is the web application some index.html and here we have changed the this base href and here add to our hosted URL for the servers and here is the some metastatus and YML files, YML files, project configurations files. Here we mention the project's name, descriptions, and the versions and requirement may Flutter SDK versions. And here I mention the here to add the dependencies and according to use in our project. So this is our first project for the creating in the Flutter. Last, I will run again, run it and see. See, like this is a most important file. That is the main function I will explain. and what is contain the main dot. This is the main dot is my run app basically run apps basically is needing contain our contain our root skin या फिर बोल सकती या फिर you can see uh, startup screens is mentioned in the run apps and the main is basically without means I have not create any programs and any method. So main dot is a very important in a Flutter project. Here have to add already running project like this. This is count the push. Here is code is running materials apps and my page there business count, statistic count plus and visits. Here are some visits, cash flows, advanced contains the bodies and this column is floating buttons. Using this floating button, add your functionalities like this. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, and share